Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'll be presenting and testing the brand new MaxShine Foam Cannon. Now this is called their Foam Lance, and of course it's perfect for pre-washing your vehicle, so adding that thick layer of snow foam on top of your car before you go ahead and do a contact wash. And this one here not only is made with high quality parts, but also has a lot of value because it's very well priced, and you're going to see it in comparison with currently the best and most expensive foam cannon on the market, the MTM PF22. So you're going to see both of these guys, of course, in action, and I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about the new MaxShine Foam Cannon. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'll be presenting and testing the brand new MaxShine Foam Cannon. They also call this the MaxShine Foam Lance, so as you wish. Essentially, well, this is a tool that you attach to your pressure washer and you use it in the pre-wash stage with some snow foam inside there, essentially car soap. And you're going to throw a blanket of snow foam on your vehicle, and this is going to help to loosen up and lift any loose dirt and contaminants on your vehicle before you go ahead and do a contact wash. So this one here is made out of quality parts. Like all MaxShine products, they're of course value oriented, so they're much cheaper than other more expensive brands out there. And of course, if you watch my channel and my videos, you know that they're producers of some value-oriented DA polishers that I absolutely love, like the M15 that I reviewed on my channel, a polisher that can be had for roughly $170, so a much lower price than more expensive competitors and still gets the job done. And one of their newer polishers like this M15 Pro, which you'll see of course the video on my channel. If it's not already up yet, stay tuned because you're going to see that review on my channel. So they make some high quality parts, and this includes their foam cannon. By the way guys, don't worry, I'll make sure to include the links to all the products that I presented today in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But essentially, well, let's check out the design of the foam cannon. Here's the MaxShine logo in the front. And by the way, they'll eventually switch to the Shine Master name, so stay tuned for that. Essentially the same company, they're just changing names. The container here is a 32-ounce container, very, very sturdy. So even if you drop this, no worries of having any cracks on it. There's some metrics here on the side from 0 all the way to 34 ounces. And even though they say it's a 32-ounce container, it's marked here all the way up to 32 ounces or 1,000 milliliters, which is 1 liter. The body up top here is made out of brass, so no worries of any corrosion or rust, that won't happen. You get, of course, the standard inlet here to connect to your pressure washer. You have the knob up top, which controls how much air goes into the mixture. So this controls essentially how much foaming action you're getting. I always set this to the maximum, so I get the maximum foam. And you get a user adjustable nozzle tip here in the front. If you can have a look at the blades, they separate, come closer or wider apart. And this controls how wide the spread of the fan is when you're spraying the snow foam on your car. So to use this, of course, very simple. You open the container. What I do is I like to put 1 to 2 ounces of my favorite car shampoo or snow foam in the bottom and add 20 ounces of water for 22 total ounces of solution. Of course, you guys can do whatever mix you guys want. And well, it can contain up to 34 ounces of fluid in the bottle. Of course, there's some marks here up top. I don't know if you can see these, and up to 1,000 milliliters for those who use those metrics. So that's 1 liter. And there's graduation marks here, but essentially there are some markings on the side. So you'd add your solution, you close the bottle back up, and that's it, you're good to go. Give it a good shake, of course, before you use it. You attach it to your pressure washer and you're good to go. Now, you can buy this foam cannon on its own for under 40 bucks, which is tremendous value, but you can also buy it as part of a kit that they have, which also includes their Purple Haze Snow. Now this is a car shampoo, pH balanced, that contains a bit of wax also inside, so to boost a bit of gloss onto your paint and add a bit of protection at the same time, why not? And well, this is a highly concentrated formula, so essentially you only need 1 ounce of product in your foam cannon, 2 ounces if you really want to go rich on that thick shaving cream like foam. And essentially, yeah, never work in direct sunlight, of course, for best results, and work on a car that has a cool surface. So either in the shade or in a garage, preferably. So you get, of course, the foam cannon. They call this the Foam Lance, but you get the box. You can get this here, which is a gallon or 128 ounces, or you can get it in a smaller format, of course, smaller dispenser bottle, so they have different kits available. You get an edgeless microfiber towel, of course, if you want to buff off some waxes or remove any paint sealants and stuff like that. You get a twisted loop drying towel. So this is a microfiber twisted loop drying towel, and they call this twisted loop because if we have a close-up look at the loops here of the microfibers, this is the technology I prefer for drying my cars, because you guys know I love twisted loop microfiber drying towels because they're super absorbent, so they get the job done in no time. And you also get a microfiber chenille wash mitt. So this is, of course, very, very soft. Nice little cuff here. So this is part of a kit. And again, you can get the bottle itself. And as you can see, well, when you lay it down, of course, it doesn't have the tendency to tip over like some other designs do. So great value for the money. Again, I'll make sure to drop the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But now, how does it compare to my favorite foam cannon in the world, and of course the most expensive at more than double the price of the MaxShine, is this MTM PF22. So of course, well, yes, it's made out of high quality parts, and I've been using this for a while now. So what I went ahead and did was to compare it with the MaxShine, and I can tell you, well, this product was absolutely amazing. I don't see anything that I can fault with it. And actually, if I put the PF22 on a counter, it's top heavy, so as you can tell, it has a tendency to tip over where you lay the MaxShine down, and it doesn't do the same thing. So I actually like that. They both have sturdy designs. They're both made out of super high quality parts, so you can't fault them at that. And well, they essentially perform pretty much identically. So if you guys want to save some money and still get an awesome quality product, well, the MaxShine Foam Cannon is just great. And I know you guys often ask me to give you some more value-oriented picks in my videos, and that's one of them. You know I love MaxShine for value. So I'll set both of these foam cannons up with the same solution, and I'll use them with my pressure washer, and I'll test them on a vehicle so you guys can see just how good the MaxShine Foam Cannon is. So guys, as you saw, the MaxShine Foam Cannon is a strong contender. Alone, it can be had for under 40 bucks, so tremendous value, very high quality parts. So sturdy container, a brass body, so no worries of corrosion or rust. It comes with the integrated inlet here for the quick disconnects. It has the adjustable nozzle up top, so you can adjust how much air comes in, so for the thickness of the foam. And you have this user adjustable nozzle here for how far apart the fan spreads out to get even coverage on your vehicle. So you can have it, of course, as a standalone product or as part of a kit. So you can have the Purple Haze Snow. This is a car shampoo, pH neutral, and of course, very high quality, good sudsing capability, and of course, decent lubrication. It comes with its box. It comes with a microfiber drying towel if you get it as part of a kit, and an edgeless microfiber towel, super soft. And you also get the microfiber chenille wash mitt. So it's a complete kit to wash your vehicle, and a solid one at that. Again, I'll leave the product links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. I also want to give a big shout out to the MaxShine team, which will eventually be called Shine Master, for sponsoring this video and of course making all of this happen. Guys, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.